Mainly the content management systems, asset management systems, and also data analytics tools. So I was responsible in my powertrain placement for the powertrain LinkedIn page. So working with LinkedIn analytics to track performance and success rate for engaging content. So working on those tools which records data has been really crucial during my scheme. So all of the lessons that we had throughout the start of the programme and all of the theory that we've learned, I've been able to apply that to my day-to-day tasks, such as email campaigns, marketing campaigns, learning about social media content, and also understanding those soft skills as well, communication, taking responsibility for work, which I learned throughout some of the lessons. I've been able to apply that in my day-to-day tasks. Yes, definitely. I think when I went on a testimonial shoot in Scunthorpe and we gathered content for GWS Vacuum, so understanding how to communicate was really crucial during this project, and how to create engaging content, which then was demonstrated across JCB social media platforms. Yeah, so all of the feedback has been absolutely incredible. Constant, replies to emails. I've never been left not knowing what to do. I've always had templates for reports, and that guidance has been really crucial into the effective reports that I've carried out. And yeah, it's been really, really lovely. Yeah, so with the apprenticeship, I've had the opportunity to explore both the digital side of marketing and the communication side. So having that well-rounded knowledge of marketing in different areas. I have thoroughly enjoyed both areas, but I think digital was definitely one that I'd like to pursue further.